Well, hello my friend, my name is Attila and this is still Masterpiece. Thank you for checking out my channel once again. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel and I appreciate all of you sticking around. So let me show you the new project that I am going to attempt to create today. I have designed this piece and it is on a piece of paper. That means I'm not 100% sure how the three-dimensional form will look like, but it is a Tealight holder. So this piece here is going to hold Tealight itself, and I want to make this piece out of maple burr. The burr is going to give the piece a little bit of roughness, a natural look, if you know what I mean. So maple burr, the arm and the stand will be made out of walnut, and basically the color of the walnut and the maple is very similar, so on the finished piece you don't see much different. So therefore I want it to make it a little bit more interesting. So this part here I am going to make out of purple heart. Last time I worked with purple heart it didn't go very well, but I am going to give it another go and hopefully I will be able to get this nice purple out of it. So let's just get to it and I hope you stick around. Just don't have the space to play with. I really don't want to hit the chalk. don't want to make it any shorter than this, but I still want the pointy end. I think I can turn this one around. If I put on smaller jaws and use this part to grab, maybe I put some electrician tape around it, then I can turn it around. Let's try that. I don't know how strong it holds, but I managed to put it into with my smaller chuck. I mean, the chuck is the same, but the jaws are much smaller. So let's try this. Okay, it worked well. Let's try it again. Maybe I just need to work a little bit slower. I think I'm going to put the center on. I have this here, but I don't think I am going to be able to remove that. Let's see, I might use some sawdust to fix it up. Yeah. made good progress. Do you still remember the plans? Here are the plans. Here are the plans. So I have the bottom. I have to put this one down. I have the holder itself. I really like the shape of this. It has a little bit of live edge on it, not too much. I didn't want to put too much live edge on it, and it has this rough look to it, but also neat. And I have the arm that is going to hold the Tealight holder in place. And the only thing we are missing is the middle part. I think heat is going to make it purple, but too much heat is going to make it brown or black. So let's see if I can figure this out. Here we go, guys. I have finished it. What do you think? Is it a mustard piece? I think it is definitely a mustard piece. I think it turned out great. So please leave a like below and tell me what you think. Do you like it or you don't? Would you change anything on it? What do you think? If you like it, please just put a like on the video and please consider subscribing to my channel, because I will be putting up videos like this every week. And if you made it at the end of the video, thank you for watching, and as always, I hope to see you on the next one.